How to change business account to personal account in Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. I have a personal account here, so to change it into business account first, you want to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now here you want to tap on account. As soon as you do that, what you want to do is, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue and do the following process that is required to create a professional account. After that, you will want to go to your profile. Main thing is how to change business account to personal account. Tap on three horizontal lines again. Then tap on settings. Then tap on account. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Then you want to tap on switch account type, then tap on personal account. Tap on switch to personal account here, and that is how you can change business account to personal account in Instagram. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.